Most people think a garbage truck simply collects trash and drives it away. But inside, an incredible engineering process is taking place. The real powerhouse isn't the engine, it's the hydraulic compaction system. A massive steel plate repeatedly compresses the garbage, reducing its volume to nearly 1/5 of its original size. The pressure can reach around 190 atmospheres, strong enough to crush plastic bottles, flatten metal cans, shatter glass, and squeeze cardboard into thin layers. As the waste is compressed, liquids from food scraps, grease, and household chemicals are forced out. That's why modern garbage trucks include sealed tanks underneath to collect these contaminated liquids and prevent them from leaking onto the streets. The compression process also generates heat. Inside the tightly packed waste, bacteria rapidly break down organic material, releasing gases such as methane, ammonia, and hydrogen sulfide. Even without an external flame, temperatures inside the truck can climb to 40 to 50 degrees Celsius, turning it into a moving fermentation chamber. One of the greatest dangers comes from discarded lithium batteries. When batteries are crushed, their internal separator can rupture, causing a short circuit known as thermal runaway. In seconds, temperatures can soar to hundreds of degrees, leading to fires or explosions. Several garbage truck and recycling facility fires have been linked to improperly discarded lithium batteries. For this reason, many modern trucks now use thermal cameras to detect dangerous temperature spikes. The safest solution is simple. Always recycle used batteries through designated collection points instead of throwing them into household trash. Once a fully loaded truck weighing between 20 and 30 tons reaches a transfer station or landfill, the waste is unloaded and sorted. Recyclable materials are removed, while the remaining waste is compacted into landfill cells and covered with soil. But the story doesn't end there. Deep underground, in an oxygen-poor environment, bacteria slowly decompose organic waste and produce methane gas. This process can continue for 20 to 50 years. Modern landfills capture this methane to generate electricity, transforming waste into a valuable energy source. Older landfills, however, often release the gas into the atmosphere, increasing environmental risks. Rainwater filtering through buried waste creates a toxic liquid called leachate, which can contain heavy metals, acids, and harmful chemicals. Without proper liners and drainage systems, this pollution could contaminate groundwater and surrounding ecosystems. So, every time you throw something into the trash, remember, its journey is far from over. Behind every garbage truck lies an extraordinary combination of engineering, chemistry, and environmental science that continues long after the trash disappears from sight. If you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive into amazing technology and industrial processes. Let us know in the comments what topic you'd like us to explore next.